Hello and welcome to this video on the process of recruiting workers from Nepal. If you're a company looking to expand your workforce, and you're interested in hiring workers from Nepal, then this video is for you. Here we discuss step-by-step process, so let's get started. The process of hiring workers from Nepal is straightforward and can be completed through a licensed recruitment agency. Let's go through the steps in detail. Step 1. Choose a licensed recruitment agency. The first step is to choose a licensed recruitment agency in Nepal that has a good reputation and adheres to the government's regulations and standards. Do your research and choose an agency that has a track record of success in placing workers abroad. Step 2. Define job requirements. The company should clearly define the job requirements, including the skills and qualifications needed for the positions being offered. This will help the recruitment agency screen and select the most suitable candidates for the job vacancies. Step 3. Make agreement, demand letter. One of the essential documents for recruiting the workers from Nepal is to make the demand letter. Demand letter is agreement between agency in Nepal and employer regarding the salaries of workers, food, accommodation, transportation, joining ticket of workers from Nepal and other terms which are prescribed by the Nepal Embassy in hosting country. You can find the agreement sample on Nepal Embassy website. Step 4. After filled the details of your company and recruitment agency details in agreement, then you have to print and sign on it and do stamp of your company on each pages of agreement. Step 5. Company have to verify the agreement by the Chamber of Commerce and also do the attestation from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, then finally submit the agreement set to the Nepal Embassy or Consulates of Nepal in employer country. Step 6. Advertise job vacancies. After attestation of agreement from the Nepal Embassy, the recruitment agency will advertise the job vacancies on behalf of the company and screen and select the candidates who meet the job requirements. Step 7. Pre-selection and interview. The recruitment agency will conduct a pre-selection and interview will take by the employer to identify the most suitable candidates for the job vacancies. Note, without agreement, demand letter, attestation from Nepal Embassy, advertising the vacancy and doing the interview is totally illegal in Nepal, so make sure there is valid agreement letter for recruitment. Step 8. Medical examination. The selected candidates will undergo a medical examination to ensure they meet the health requirements for foreign employment. Step 9. Sign contracts, job appointment letter. The candidates and the company will sign a contract that outlines the terms and conditions of employment, including the salary, benefits, and other details. Step 10. Obtain necessary permits and visas. The recruitment agency will assist with obtaining the necessary permits and visas with the help of employer for the workers to travel and work abroad. Step 11. After visa, recruitment agency request for the labor approval from Department of Foreign Employment of Nepal, which takes 1 business day. Step 12. Departure and arrival. Finally, the workers will depart for their place of employment, and the recruitment agency will provide support and assistance throughout the process, including on arrival in the host country. That's it. The process of recruiting workers from Nepal through a recruitment agency is straightforward and efficient. By following these steps, your companies can expand your workforce with highly skilled and qualified workers from Nepal. You can contact our agency to make all these process much easier on given link in description box. Thank you for visiting us. Thank you. Namaskar.